All right, we're about to throw these ribeyes on. Look at the marbling on these things. It's just incredible. We really want the beef flavor to come through on these ribeyes. The marbling is incredible. We don't want to disguise that flavor at all. So we're just gonna go with a simple olive oil and salt. Here's a tip, you can't over salt steak. That's just my opinion, but olive oil and salt, we're going on the grill. We're gonna be done in about 10 minutes. Get these things on the heat. Wow, that's beautiful. That's the sear we're looking for right there. Look at this beautiful steak. I'll let this thing rest for about 5 minutes, maybe 6, 7. Slice it up, good eats on the way. All right, we're gonna start with the cap. This is the best part of the ribeye, undeniably. Whew. Like butter. All right, I'm supposed to be waiting for everybody else, but let me just sneak a little bite here. Oh my God. Yep, that's the business right there. Yeah, good stuff. Perfectly marbled, the fat's coming through. Flavor is incredible. Just a little bit of salt, that's it. I could talk some more, but I'm gonna eat.